In this instructional video, we will go over the steps to replace an image drum. Step 1. Power the printer off by holding the main power button. Step 2. Open the front panel. Step 3. Release the ITB contact lever and open the cover. Step 4. Release the drum locking lever corresponding to the drum being replaced. Step 5. Remove the old drum unit and install the new unit. Lock the drum into place and close the contact lever. Then close the front panel. Please note, the color drums must be replaced in unison for the counter to reset and your impress to print. Step 6. Power the printer back on. Step 7. Press the User Tools button on the operation panel. Step 8. Select Maintenance Image. Step 9. Select the Color Registration menu. Step 10. Press the Start button. Step 11. Press the Exit button.